You're a cute little girl for everyone. Hey, your little girls look a bit strange. Square face. Hair on top is harder, pretty side, smiling. Smiley eyebrow. Eyes brimming with light top fiber. The color on the delicate cheek. Her hair flowing freely. What present will I offer? Perhaps a small rabbit hat would be charming. Adorable. Sketchy diminutive pigtails on either side, and dim on her side as well. Then we draw her body, which is also square shaped. Arms hanging down here. At this position we draw her hand, coming out with a little fist turn. Pretty simple here. Little photo. Off-bound little leg. Combining them, these legs are black pants, lay it on with black. Next, for our delightful mascot, we'll choose a vibrant red, starting with the skin tone. We often utilize this particular shade, hence I'll employ this pen here to apply the flesh with a little tip. From the bottom, from left to right, clean off in order. The hands as well. Then we step outside. I'll get cute puffs. Arrange this little braid with this golden yellow one. The little bow tie is also yellow. It can be switched to yellow too. Use it red. Paint its clothes red. This is a slightly lighter red. Use dark red. The clothes are red. I brought a little rabbit. Outline a little edge with a rabbit model. And pentagonal shadows. If you play the rabbit, add a little here. Wow, it looks even cuter. What about the ground? Excuse me. Encircling green, this tiny insert as a replacement. Our simple and cute little girl is all done.